In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get unbanned from Roblox. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. If you've gotten banned from Roblox, you're actually going to be unable to log into your Roblox. You will receive a notice that says you are banned, and it'll also say for how many days you are banned and why. It's most likely because you went against the community guidelines, and the only way to get unbanned is from this method, and if you actually haven't done what they said you did. So you're going to go onto Google and type in Roblox support form. You're going to click on this and click on Contact Us. Now you're going to scroll down and click on Appeal Your Account Moderation. And it'll open up this and contact the appeals team using the support form here. It'll open this up on your account and you can type in your username, your name, and you have to type in your email address and the issue details. For the device, I'm just going to put that I am on a PC, and I am going to do the help type of moderation and then appeal account. You're then going to do a description of the issue, so write why you were banned and say that you did not do it and you need your account unbanned. That's really all there is to it, and you should receive a reply in 3 to 5 days to tell you if you are unbanned or not. But make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.